Sterling Big Poppa Ball here. I'm cooking some Tyson roasted garlic and Parmesan pork loin filet. I'm gonna roast this on my grill. I'm not gonna grill it, but I'm gonna cook it outside because things are better when you're outside. So we're gonna also serve this in egg noodles, because I can, in a lemon Parmesan garlic cream sauce with a little desert gold. Like you've heard me say a million times, don't taste this sauce that's been with raw meat. Just make sure that when you bring it back in, you've either washed this pan or used a fresh pan. We're gonna roast it. What I have is I have this about medium, and the center one off. And I'm gonna put the pork loin in the middle. I'm also gonna put a probe in it so I get it. The temperature we wanna end with is 138. By the time we slice it, I will have rested it, and it'll be up to around 145, which is exactly where we want you to have it. Adios. Let's cook the egg noodles. We're gonna bring this to boil, and it's a good chance to find out if that old adage is true that watch pot won't boil. We're gonna thinly slice some onions. Olive oil. Okay, we're gonna cook these until they're translucent. BPS Desert Gold. The Swiss Army knife right here makes everything better. Got some garlic. It's a lot of garlic. Now we want to cook this just until the garlic starts browning, and then we're going to add some more liquid to it. And now it's nice, a little bit brown. Let's fold in some half and half. Hit it with some more Desert Gold. You guys notice I use gloves. I like cooking in gloves. When I'm cutting onions, I don't smell it later. I think it's cleaner and safer, but also it's griefer. I could just drink that. Let's carefully measure some Parmesan. Okay? Do I have a measuring spoon? We're going to turn this down and hold it off. We're going to add lemon at the end. We don't want the lemon sitting in it too long because it'll separate with the cream. So right before we toss these noodles in there, we're going to hit it with some lemon. Yeehaw! There we go. Uncovered, boiling for 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Whew. This is going to be good, kids. Just toss some butter in there. Then we're going to toss some Parmesan in there. Once again, carefully measure. Go in here. There you go, let it rest there. Let's rotate this around. We want to get to 138, so we still have some time. I'm going to miss you. Watch this. Barehanded. We've pulled it off. We're going to let it rest for about 5 minutes. What we're going to do in the meantime is come on over here. I'm going to put the lemon juice in, and I'm going to toss the egg noodles. I'm going to stir and taste, because I don't want the lemon to overpower it. I want it to be its perfect companion. Here we go. Spectacular. Let's put these butter noodles in here. Just try one here. Beautiful. A little desert gold at the end. A little parsley for the internet. Tyson marinated roasted garlic and Parmesan pork loin on some lemon garlic butter cream noodles. Woo! Let's eat.